Joe Beermaster. Today I'm going to show you how to take these prop rods off. These are hydraulic prop rods, how to get it disconnected from the hood. First thing you want to do is get a board to hold the hood up or get somebody to hold it. And if you look at these clips hold them on right here. So once you pull that clip off, slide it back, this will pop off. You want to get an ultra fine screwdriver, maybe something finer than this. You want to get in there, and we're going to get something a little finer, and you want to pull that back. When you pull that back, it's going to want to pop off, so you want to have a hand here to catch it. And once that clip comes off, you hit this as somebody's holding the hood up or it's propped up. So let's get a smaller screwdriver, something thinner. All right, so there's kind of a little notch in there. So you want to kind of, this is a bent one. See how I got that clip moving out? See that? Now I'm not actually going to take it off because I'm doing this with one hand on the camera, one hand on the screwdriver. But as I pull that off, that clip's going to shoot out. I'm going to have a hand over here to catch it. And then once that clip's out, you hold the hood and just knock that rod out and it will come separated. You could also do that for the bottom too. So that's how you'll completely remove it. And there's one on the other side. And then when you want to put it back on, you just click this on. There's a little ball that slides over that, sort of like a hip ball. And then you put the clip on. You have to push it on there till it locks in. Sometimes it's difficult to get on, but you have to push it in there and get it on there. All right, Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.